Alright, I picked up this Toshiba today. I've never had one of these before. I'm pretty sure it's just a rebrand of something else. I don't think Toshiba makes air conditioners anymore. If they ever did, I'm not sure. I turned this on already, and the fan, there's just a hum coming from it. Fan's not turning. And I already see a quarter. I don't know if that's showing up on the camera. There's a quarter right there, so that's a little bonus. And it looks like there's a pencil stuck in the fan or something. So hopefully that's all that's wrong with this. So I'm going to take the cover off and take that junk out of the back, and we'll see if it works. I'm going to come right back. All right, here was the offending item in the back there. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a kid's toy or something. I don't know. It was hard to get out. It was so long. I got 50 cents. So I already turned this on, and without the cover on, the fan rubs in here. The wheel rubs in the front. So I'm going to put the... I think this leans forward without the cover on it. So I'm going to put it back together and we'll start it up. Yeah, it does work. Here's the inside of this anyway. We might as well look at it. So you got an aluminum coil up front. And pretty chintzy looking copper coil for the condenser. Yeah, really thin copper there. So yeah, it's got a GMCC and a Welling fan motor. So it's probably like a Frigidaire or Media product, whatever. So I'm gonna put the cover back on and we'll turn it on. Alright, we got it back together. Let's turn this on. Let's take a look at the label first. We didn't look at that. So, well, this was sold in 2019. So it's 6 years old. It's pretty dirty. Kind of smells too. Not sure if it smells like cigarettes or something else, but it's not too bad. I'm sure I can clean this one up. Yeah, it smells. So we're on cool. These aren't like buttons, they're like touch sensors. You're not actually pushing a button in. Oh, there's the compressor. Compressor sounds nice, isn't it? Yeah, this definitely works. It's pretty cold already. Yes, that was the only thing wrong with this, was that thing wedged in it. Yeah, probably a kid stuck that in there. So I'm not going to clean this one up probably till next year. Season's pretty much over now for selling air conditioners here, so I'm not doing much else with selling them. So I'll probably just save this one for next year. Yeah, this runs pretty nice, I gotta say. This is low fan. It's pretty quiet. Compressor sounds nice. Let's see. There's medium. Not much of a difference there. Here's high. That was a noticeable difference. It's low again. Yeah, this run's pretty nice, I gotta say. So, what was the BTUs on this? I didn't even look. Oh, it's a 6,000. So, there you go. There's a Toshiba 6,000. We'll see you next time.